If you've been following my channel for a while now, you probably noticed that banner that appears at the start of my videos. It asks you if you need insurance and if yes, to drop me an email. In this video, we talk about the 5 things you need to know about car insurance. This is Reygan's Pitstop. Let's do this. Insurance. Car insurance, to be exact. It's added peace of mind, especially when you're driving a machine that can do serious damage in an accident. Everyone knows about it, but not all cars have insurance. Well, at least here in the Philippines. It's something that should be made mandatory for every car, and I'm not just talking about that TPL insurance that you get every time you register your car. Now, if you have the money to buy and operate a vehicle, then by all means you should also have the money to get it insured.
Show me the money!
In this video, I'll share with you some tips on car insurance. And in case you're wondering, yes, I have been in the insurance industry for 20 years, so I am a bit of an expert when it comes to this field. So with all of your doubts put to rest, let's do this. How many times have you been hit by, let's say, a taxi cab or a jeepney driver and then they tell you, don't worry, I have insurance? Well, most often than not, they're referring to a TPL insurance or what's called third-party liability insurance. Now, this is a government-mandated insurance, quote-unquote, that is required during the annual vehicle registration. Now, this TPL insurance can be purchased at any LTO office, though if you buy it there, well, the premium would be much higher than, let's say, if you buy it straight from an insurance broker or from the insurance company themselves. Now, the thing is, this insurance only covers the third party. So let's say a taxi hits you, so that makes the taxi the first party, and you are the first person that got hit, so you're the second party. And then let's say because the taxi hit you, your car hit another car, so that other car is the third party. So essentially, this TPL insurance will only insure the other guy that you hit because of the taxi that hit you, and not you yourself. Plus, let's face it, guys, the total amount of insurance coverage of these TPL insurance policies is only 100,000 Philippine pesos, which, to be honest, isn't really a lot of money, especially when it comes to vehicular damage. So now that we've established that TPL insurance is nearly worthless, I mean, in my over 20 years of driving, I've never seen or heard anybody who was able to successfully claim against their TPL policy. So now that we've established that, the best way to go is to get yourself a comprehensive insurance policy for your car.
That's what I'm talking about!
Now, banks require this for car loans since comprehensive insurance policies cover total damage and theft of your car. Now, in case you hit another guy and it's your fault, well, your comprehensive insurance will also cover the property damage and the bodily injury incurred on the other party. Of course, it's going to be subject to limits. Now, there are exclusions, like let's say you're driving under the influence of alcohol or drugs, or while you're breaking the law, or while you're evading arrest. In these cases, in case of damage to your car or to other properties, well, your comprehensive insurer will not pay. Naturally. So now that we've established that what you need is a comprehensive insurance policy and not just the TPL as mandated by the government, here is my next tip for you. When buying a comprehensive insurance, most car owners would naturally get the cheapest premium that they can find. What most of them don't realize though is insurers are bound by premium tariffs, which means that the premiums should be uniform depending on the value of the car. Now, if an insurer goes down below this premium tariff, not only is it illegal, but it also means that the insurer has to cut costs somewhere. Normally, they cut costs in the after sales and the claims area.
Okay, I believe you have to fill out a form for that.
No, I'd like my money back now.
You may get a good deal on the premium at the start, but good luck trying to get a claim approved if something happens to your car. You see, it kind of defeats the purpose of getting an insurance in the first place if you can't even get a claim which you already paid for. Now, the best way to go about this is to go for a reputable insurance company, even if the premium is a little bit higher. Oh, and yeah, don't even try to cut out the middleman, which is the agent or the broker. Remember, when you have a claim, it's the agent or your broker who will fight on your side to get this claim approved. Without a broker, again, good luck getting that claim noticed by the insurance company. A comprehensive insurance does not absolve you from all the expenses of your car insurance claim. There is what we call participation or deductible, which is the car owner's share in that particular claim. It can be a fixed amount or a percentage of the insured amount. If the car is over 3 years old and let's say mechanical parts also need to be replaced because of this claim, well, there is also what you call the depreciation cost for these parts, which is usually a percentage of the value of the brand new part that will be installed. This participation clause is there to prevent car owners from just claiming and claiming every nick, dent, or scratch that their cars suffer during the daily drive. The claim has to be valued at more than the deductible amount to make it worthwhile to file a claim with your insurer. Now, in case you need to file an insurance claim, these are the documents that you need to prepare. Either you get a police report of the accident or a sworn affidavit in case the car is damaged and there's no other party. An example of this is, let's say you miscalculated and you backed your car into a parking wall. Since it's your own damage, then a sworn notarized affidavit would be acceptable. Aside from the police report or the affidavit, you also need photos of the damage, a copy of your driver's license and your vehicle registration, a copy of the insurance policy, and a repair estimate from the dealership or an accredited body shop. Once you've got all of these documents together, it's just a matter of submitting them all to your insurer, and after assessment, a repair offer will be given if the claim is approved. Then you just have to take your car to the repair shop and the insurer will settle their share while you settle your share when it comes to the participation and, if applicable, the depreciation costs. Now, the time it takes to process a claim depends on the insurer's servicing capability. Remember my tip about getting a reputable insurer? Well, if your insurance company gave you a super cheap premium and they're not really well known, well, good luck getting that claim approved in the first place. Reputable insurers normally take a week or even less to process and approve a claim. Any longer than that, and you may want to rethink your choice of insurance provider. And well, if you guys are considering, you may want to try out my services in this area. As an insurance veteran for over 20 years, my office is well equipped to provide you with the best service you need. If you want to reach out, you know the drill. You can just contact me in my email below. So there you go, guys. Car insurance has just been demystified. If you have any other questions about car insurance that I haven't taken up, well, you can comment on this video below and I'll try to answer them as much as I can. I do hope that you get comprehensive insurance for your vehicles, and not only because the bank requires you to do so, but because it is the responsible thing to do. Anyway, guys, until my next pit stop video, I'm Reygan, and thanks for watching.